G to C. Okay? Here we go. 1 bar of each. G to C. Bar. First finger bar. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 1. You may start with 8th notes, and 3, and 4, and, or even whole notes. I'll try whole notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2. You may repeat this until you work your way up to 16th notes. But for now, if it's whole notes, 2, 3, 4. That's okay. There's a lot of mileage in this one exercise. Or try quarter notes. Either way, we're still offering 1 bar at G and 1 bar at C. See how I'm bouncing my first finger? Whatever works for you is okay. And we're gonna wrap it up now. Here we go, and yeah.